Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks. Today I will show you how to lock password without any software. Open folder which you want to lock. I want to lock this private folder. So our first step is create a new text file. I name this folder lock. Inside the text file we need to paste written code. Go to this URL, I will mention this in description. Copy this code. Go to the text file and paste it there. Now this section right here, this is your password. Now you can change that by simply editing them. Click on File and click on Save As. Type BAT after file name. And save as type to all files. BAT file is created. Double-click to open this. Type Y. Private folder gets hidden. Folder lock has been applied. You can unlock this by simply open this BAT file and enter your password.